What's going on, everyone? My name is Hendrix and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a Spanish omelet. Now, Spanish omelet, it is delicious for sure, not the healthiest, but for this video we're actually gonna make a healthy version of the Spanish omelet or Spanish tortilla. So let's get to it, show you what you need. About 6 small potatoes, small medium potatoes, an onion, about 2 small onions. This one is quite a big one, so I'm only going to use one for now. I might add more later. Some extra virgin olive oil, and of course the eggs, about 7-8 of these. But one of the things I like to do is actually place all the ingredients inside of the pan. Like that, I know how much space I have to work with. Make sure that I don't have too many ingredients. Make sure that every ingredient is actually touching the pan. We have a small bowl of water. We're just gonna peel the potatoes and throw them in here so that they don't oxidize on us, they don't turn brown. Alright, everything is peeled. Now all we have to do is cut them in half, and we're gonna cut them about 1/4 of an inch thick so that we can put them in the oven with olive oil and they can get a nice brown color. Fresh pepper as well on the potatoes before throwing them in the oven. We're gonna set the oven to 350 and leave that for about probably like 10 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them, toss them a bit in the oven, and then throw them back in there. Here we go, into the oven. Let's go. Potatoes are getting some color, so we should start working on the onions. Chop the ends, and we're gonna cut them the long way like this. See that? So what you are looking for is these long noodles right there. Some salt, now that the onions are ready, they're brown and sweet. You want them a little brown because you want that sweetness. Now I'm just gonna mix it with the potatoes. They are ready. Look at that color, nice. Look at that. That looks amazing. That's the onions and the potato mixed together, and now we're gonna throw this inside of the egg mixture. Mix everything. It's nice that they're hot, so like that they end up cooking the egg a little bit. Because what you want, the thing about this is that you want it to be not too runny. If the eggs right now is gonna get cooked a little bit, what this is gonna do is that it's gonna help you in the end with the cooking time, because the whole problem with the Spanish omelet, the Spanish tortilla, is that if it's too soft, it's gonna take a while to cook. And if it takes a while to cook, what's gonna happen is that the bottom is gonna get burned before you're even able to flip it. So like this, we're gonna let it sit here for about 10-20 minutes, and you will see it will absorb some of the moisture. The egg is gonna cook a little bit, and it's gonna be much easier to cook and flip later on, and making sure that it doesn't get burned in the bottom. Cover this real quick. So this has been sitting here for about 15 minutes, and you're gonna see the difference. It's gonna be a little thicker in consistency. Like your spatula. Look at that. Right, so for what we're going to do, you really need a non-stick pan because we're gonna be moving it around and then we're gonna be flipping it, so you really don't want it sticking anywhere. So just a little bit of olive oil, and we're gonna throw the mixture in here, and then we're gonna flip it. I'll show you how. There you have it, Spanish omelet, a healthy version of the Spanish omelet. Nothing was fried, just a little bit of oil, baked, so the potatoes are still good. And we have the onions, and we're gonna give this a little try. That is great. Look at that, nicely cooked, a little moist, which is perfect. Moment of truth. How's the seasoning? That is so good. Oh man, that whole combination is amazing. Just the onions, the potatoes, and it's not dry, it's not fried, so you know you're eating healthy. And there you have it. This is probably the best things you make at home right now. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you like the content, and stay tuned for next episode. We're going to Peru. I'm gonna make a recipe from Peru, but I'm not gonna say what it is, but you probably can guess. And I'm just gonna enjoy this real quick, and I'll see you next time.